Hi friends, today we will continue part 2 in our topic, vowel combinations of two single vowels. I know it's so boring to spell these vowels, but in order to speak Vietnamese tongue exactly, we need to seize 6 tones and on principles in spelling. If we understand them well, we can pronounce any word exactly by ourselves without the help from other people. Now we begin. There is only one combination in the column of "e" ending. With the vowel "e", we just need to smile. "E". Do you remember our lesson single vowel? "E". Now we just need to spell from left side to right side. "O", "e", "oe", "o", "e", "oe". Again, "o", "e", "oe". Khỏe, khỏe, khỏe. If I say tôi khỏe, it means I'm fine. But please don't confuse oe and eo. Đây là oe và đây là eo. Bây giờ chúng ta tiếp tục đến với e ending nhé. How to say e? E. Do you remember? E. Now we begin. U, e, ê. Again. U, e, ê. U, e, ê. Huế, Huế, Huế. Huế is an ideal tourist city in Vietnam because it was the capital of Nguyễn Dynasty. For those who would like to know about culture of Vietnam through historical relics, Huế will be a noteworthy destination. If now I change the order of the single vowels in this combination, we will have eu, eu, e, u, eu, e, u, eu. Again, please. E, u, eu. Kêu, kêu, kêu. For example, now we are waiting to catch a taxi on the street, and a taxi is coming from a distance. You will call, taxi, taxi. That action is kêu taxi. Next combination is u, 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 u. Cứu, cứu, cứu. How to say help me in case of emergency or danger? We will say cứu tôi, cứu tôi. Again, cứu tôi. Và đây là au, 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 au. They are different. A, u, au. A, u, au. Ớ, u, âu. Ớ, u, âu. Please don't confuse. Au, âu, au, âu. We will pronounce these combinations with a name of a dessert. Do you recognize this dessert? It's rau câu. Rau câu, rau, câu. And the last combination in the lesson today is yêu, yêu. Very short. I, u, yêu. I, u, yêu. Yêu. Hiu, hiu. Hiu, hiu. But hiu, hiu is just used for wind. For example, a wind puffing lightly. Gió thổi hiu, hiu. Gió thổi hiu, hiu. Bây giờ chúng ta cùng ôn lại 7 tổ hợp nguyên âm này nhé. Oe, oe, ê, ê, êu, êu, au, âu, ưu, ưu, yêu, yêu. Lần nữa nhé. Oe, ê, êu, au, âu, ưu, yêu. Nhanh hơn nha. Oe, ê, êu, au, âu, ưu, yêu. Oe, khỏe, tôi khỏe. Ê, Huế, Huế. Êu, kêu, kêu taxi. Au, âu, rau, câu, rau, câu. Ưu, cứu, cứu tôi, cứu tôi. Yêu, hiu, hiu. Before saying goodbye, we will have a small exercise. Are you ready? Go. Tôi khỏe. Huế. Kêu taxi. Cứu tôi. Rau câu. Và đây là đáp án. In the lesson today, we've learned 7 vowel combinations, some new words and 2 structures. Tôi khỏe. Cứu tôi. In next lesson, we will continue learn 9 vowel combinations and 2 structures. Oh my God, who's that? Now it's time to say goodbye and see you later. Have a peaceful day, my friends. Xin chào và hẹn gặp lại.